One of our most frequent asks from our users was, could we make the Active 2.0 rebuildable? It's a reasonable request. A lot of you guys out there, you want to extend the life of your product. And now, I'm happy to let you know that after much work, many of the key components to the Active 2.0 are fully replaceable and rebuildable. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what on the Active 2.0 can be rebuilt. When to replace parts. I want to be clear, there's no specific frequency that you should replace this part or that. But if you notice that the performance is starting to drop or some of your parts are getting worn down, then these are some signs that maybe it's time to rebuild. If you're experiencing any drop in power or you see something that needs to be replaced or repaired, the best approach is to always contact our customer support team. They'll run you through the diagnosis and let you know exactly what you can do next. What can be replaced on the Active 2.0? First and most important is the pump. It's divided into two pieces, the front and the middle right here. It's very easy to remove. Use an Allen key and you remove these bolts, takes off the front, and then these bolts here takes off the back. It's as easy as getting the new pump, swapping it back in, and reassembling the bolts. Also in the pump head, you've got the inlet and the outlet. Both of these are replaceable, as well as the O-rings and gaskets inside. Should you notice any corrosion or maybe the threads are starting to get worn, these two pieces, easily replaceable. If you remove those parts, you'll have access to the bypass valve and other components. All of those can be removed, replaced, and lubricated as needed. On the side of the unit is the microswitch. That's this black box right here. It controls the total stop system, or the TSS. This allows the unit to shut off when you release the trigger. If you notice that it's not shutting off, probably time to replace your microswitch. Finally, I'll run through a few of the other replaceable parts. The power switch, the nozzle holders, the GFCI plug, and the rubber feet. Remember that you can contact our customer support anytime and all these parts will be available. The number should be on our screen right here. If your unit is under warranty and any issues arise, you can contact customer support and get those parts. If your warranty is expired, you can still purchase these parts through our customer support service. As part of our support program, we've created a series of videos showing you how to replace all these parts. Visit our YouTube channel to check those out. I hope you found this video useful. Give us a like and subscribe, comment down below, upvote the ones you like. We'll see you next time.